The idea we have is to come in and make you as comfortable as possible with spending as least money as you possibly can. My name is Kevin Mathieu.
Travis Owens.
Hi, my name is Taylor.
And our company is All Seasons Comfort.
We do heating and air conditioning.
We come to the house and we provide a service to check out your system.
We ensure that the condensing coil and your evaporator coil are in proper functioning condition to make sure that the AC is working in its optimal level. We provide cleaning of your units, replacements of your filters.
If your filter's dirty, it's obviously not performing right. It's basically like a heart valve, I guess you could say. You know, you have a clog in your artery, that's what it is. You know, we change out that filter, it can work way better for you, way more efficient.
We also do service, repairs, and installs.
At the upper end of the scale of the spectrum, if you were to go with a high efficiency system, you could see reductions of half on your electricity bill. You want to be cool when it's hot outside and you want to be warm when it's cold outside.
You're going to be more comfortable in your house. You're going to be enjoying time with your family. You're not worried about being warm or hot, you know.
We go by the motto of honesty over profits. We come in and we ensure that you guys are going to get an honest opinion about what's going on with your system for an honest wage to do so. We as a company promise that we're not going to bait and switch you. We're not going to try to upsell you on things that you don't need for your system. We do inform you on things that could help you with health issues, you know, as far as allergies, with humidity in your home, total home comfort, but none of that is pressed upon you to ensure that you guys know what is going on. If you want to be comfortable in your home, no matter what the season is, you can give us a call today and we'll make sure we're out there for you in a timely fashion when we say we're going to be.
Give us a call.
Give us a call.